Hello everyone. Well, today I'm gonna unboxing this. Um, I ordered some fishes for my aquarium. One of the reasons why I decided to do this is because I wanna show you what you can expect when you order something online. Obviously, every single company is different package, different everything. There are two reasons why I'm doing this. One is to let you know what was my experience, and hopefully you can order more if you like it. I will give you my review after see the fishes, the packaging, and everything. But the other one is something goes wrong. I have something to prove the company what happened when I opened this box or what I found. Okay, the first step is I'm gonna open this one. Okay. Something that I want to mention to you, the company where I order is Fishy Business Aquatics.com. Okay, I'm located in LA. According to the websites, they have the facility in Florida, but I'm checking over here and I think this one was sent from Los Angeles. Okay, I ordered 13 fishes. Okay, I opened the box. Okay, this is the first thing that I see. Okay, looks good. Really good package so far. I'm gonna break it from here to make it easier to be able to remove the inside back. Okay, so having this first thing done, okay, it's gonna be way easier for me to show you what's coming inside and what you can expect. This one shows that it's 17 pounds. Okay. This is what coming here. Sorry about that. I'm gonna get a plate. Okay. Sorry about that. Got the blade. I'm gonna start cutting. Make it easier, faster. For everyone to be able to see what's coming inside and how it was packaged or protected. Something that I want to mention. I placed an order on Wednesday. Thursday they processed the order, and today I received around 10 a.m. pretty fast. I was impressed with how fast they pack. This is the second thing that I found. Another pack. Okay. Open this up. I see some warm and package, still warm. Which is a good thing. And well, next thing is fishes. Okay, we're gonna go one by one and show you what is here. Okay, as you can see, this is goby. It's totally dead. This goby, actually, you can see, thing is leaking. This one, okay. One, not good. Okay. This is a small Tiny, small, but nice. Looking good so far. Leopard grass. Okay. One more. This one looks good. Live. This is the goby. Looking good too. There's one more higher fish, as you can see. Good, looking good. Size of that one, I would say so far everything looks alive. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, this is the green chromis. Looks alive, but it's leaking, as you can see. Might be not this bag, but something for sure was leaking inside. This is another goby. Okay, you can see it's leaving. It's alive. You know, small one, pretty small. But looking good. Can't complain about that one. Here's my rainforest goby. This one looks good, you know, pretty good. This is the butterfly, the copper band butterfly. I ordered one, a small, medium size. Not sure if you can see it, but looks good, you know. Through the bag, you can see too much, you know, the condition of the fish. So far, what you can see is if they are alive or not. And well, small cleaner shrimp that make it. Okay. There is a second goby. Okay. Looks to be alive. And we'll see. Okay. This company offers up to 30 days of warranty. Okay, these two tiger conch. I think this one looks good, the other one, well, it's moving, both of them, looks like they're moving. And this is, okay, flasher, brass, this one, looks pretty good. This one, flasher. The next one is second flasher. Okay, I ordered two of this. And here's my second leopard grass, you know. Looks alive and hopefully everything goes well to acclimatation. And my last fish that I want to show you and I ordered is this flame angel. Okay, this one, you can see, still kicking. Hopefully everything goes well with those guys. Okay, you know, something that I didn't see is any list of what I ordered. So far is the bag is empty, and this is the box. Okay, the box is empty. I don't see any keeping asleep or, you know, what it says exactly what I ordered. But so far, besides of this guy that is totally dead, you can see, everything else look good. The prices, they have a good price, to be honest. probably you can find many of this stuff around, I would say 30, 40, maybe up to 50% less than what you find in the local fish stores. I still support my local fish store. This time I want to give a try. This is my first time order online. And well, besides of this guy, as I say before, this Kobe, everything looks alive, you know. I will review probably in a week, and I will show you how they doing in the system. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Remember the name of the company where I ordered this. Let me show you the pink slip, or no, the pink slip, no, it's not pink slip. It's the label, okay. Fishy Business Aquatic, okay. This Fishy Business Aquatic.com, okay. Well, thank you. I'm gonna see what I can do, you know, with that guy. I know it's not a big probably deal, but hopefully, if everything goes well, I don't see any problem, you know, to have one down. But still, I'm gonna call and I'm gonna contact. If I have to show this video, I will, you know. And something that I was expecting, to be honest, to receive is a list. Slip, picking a slip, I think it's name, the right name. Okay, well, thank you for watching. I will review within a week, and I will show, hopefully all are alive. Okay, thanks again and have a good day. Thank you.